From the Data Sources section, select Google Sheets as the data source. Select your added BigQuery data warehouse as the data destination. If you have not yet added a data warehouse, go to Data Warehouse tab and add a warehouse. Authorize DataChannel to connect to your Google account using OAuth. Click on Add Data Pipeline to start adding data pipelines to your account. Select from a list of available data pipelines. Configure as per your needs. Run and preview your data in DataChannel itself.